Here's a meditation podcast with 24/7 access to help align your spirit with breath and meditation techniques. Haa Breathe Series Meditation is a podcast where I share weekly different meditation techniques that I use in my own personal practice. We will be meditating with Divine Light, Te Ao Marama, Orokoroa, Māori vibration, and Ha, deep breath techniques. Kia ora, I'm your host Oriwa, artist, creative, educator, and now Wairua booster, your host for Haa Breathe Series, the meditation podcast. If you have 5 to 20 minutes a day, this podcast is for you. If you want to learn how to focus through breath and meditation, this podcast is for you. Are you interested in meditating in Te Reo Māori, New Zealand's Indigenous language of the Māori people? Well, this podcast is for you. Episode 1, Hold Your Center Meditation. In this episode, I will guide you through a meditation to help get you centered and balanced. I will open with a taku, an ancient Māori chant. Then I will take you through 3 rounds of the Haa Breath cycle and finish with a meditation. Before we begin, remember to turn off all your notifications on your devices. Dedicate 5 to 20 minutes to your Haa Breath practice. Find a quiet place in a seated position with a straight back, shoulders relaxed, hands open with palms facing up. We'll be using the Ujjayi breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's begin. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Kati o karu, close your eyes. Whakarongo mai ki te taku. Listen to the taku. Tēnei au. Tēnei au. Te hapai nei, te tiri nei, te paupau nei, mo tōku reo. Mo tōku mana, mo tōku ihi, te māpihi mauria. Kia mau, kia hita, hongi e, hui e, tai ki e. Kia ai o te ao. Here I am presented with thyself, a source of unlimited potential. I quiver in the might of Mother Earth. My pillars stand strong for the essence of my language, for my internal strength, for my eternal life force energy. This is my most prized possession. I hold fast, I hold tight. United in thought and in word, I stand ready for action. Peace to the world. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Now we will begin with our 6-count breath cycle for 3 rounds. Ha ki roto, breathe in. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2, 1, and release your breath out for 3, 2, 1. Breathe normal, feeling the change for 6 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second round, ha ki roto, breathe in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 2 breaths. 1, and ha ki waho, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Breathe normal, Noticing your senses, opening up for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe normal. Third round, Haa Kiroto, breathe in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. Ki waho, breathe out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Breathing normal. Taking note of any sensation that you may be feeling. And breath in, breath out. Aligning your spiritual centers. Now we're going to align our whatumanua, the third eye, located in the middle of your brow. The manua, the heart center, located in the chest around the heart area. And the pumanua, our intuitive waters, located in the center of your belly button. Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Ano Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Bring your attention to your mind's eye. This is your whatumanua. Now imagine in the midst of your whatumanua a beautiful spiritual indigo ray of light. It starts off as a small circle ray of indigo light. Focus on the indigo shining brightly, vibrating strong and harmoniously. Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Ano Haa Kiroto, breathe in. And Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Take your time and allow your indigo light to expand and grow, filling each bit of space in your whatumanua with beautiful indigo ray of light. Now imagine yourself sitting in the middle of your whatumanua, absorbing all of the beautiful spiritual indigo ray of light. Feel connected, feel content, and feel empowered. Transfer that healing to the rest of your being. Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Now bring your attention to your heart chakra. This is your manawa. Imagine you crossing over from the whatumanua into your heart center. Your heart center is the essence of love. Imagine an emerald green ray of light illuminating from your heart. Imagine now expanding that ray of light throughout your manua. I want you to experience the manua and all her glory as the emerald green ray of light embraces you. Feel your manua balancing and harmonizing in alignment with your whatumanua. Imagine the emerald green ray of light shining outwards from your heart to the rest of your being. Haa Kiroto, breathe in. Haa Kiwaho, breathe out. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Now bring your attention to the center of your belly, slightly behind your belly button. This is your pūmanawa, your intuitive waters. This is where your trust and worthiness and inner knowing lies. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Now imagine a beautiful orange ray of light in your pūmanawa. Imagine that healing energy running through your organs. Orange ray of light through your intestines, through your kidneys. Imagine through the liver. Allow that orange ray of light to wash over any ailments that may be sitting in any part of your organs. Cleanse and freshen the intuitive waters. Hold your center meditation. It is time for you to strengthen your own energy, your own boundaries, to find your ground. Imagine firmly placing your feet onto Mother Earth and do not move. Feel your feet anchoring you like a beautiful tree. Listen to Tāne Mahuta whispering in your ear. Let yourself experience quiet certainty as you hold your center with commitment, courage, and consciousness. Trust in your own instincts. Take your own journey without comparison to the life path of another. There is no need to become disheartened or distracted by comparisons or judgments. The earth needs your light, which can only come from you. The time is here for you to love and honor yourself as yourself. Remember, you are beautiful. You do not need to change for another. You certainly do not need to change for the divine. You're being encouraged instead to distill your essence to become even more of you. Hold your center now and not be tattled by any other through intimidation, confrontation, doubt, jealousy, or fear. To hold your center means you accept your innate value and worth, your right to exist and thrive, and accept the love that created you as you in order to fulfill your divine destiny. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Breathe in guidance and healing. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Breathe out doubt, guilt, and confusion. You can hold yourself in high esteem and be gentle and loving to others, whilst absolutely refusing to accept any behaviour, belief, or attitude of another that will tear you down, or that will give you any doubt or self-hatred. As part of your spiritual growth, your soul learned to be open to receive guidance and channel healing. This is what you needed to be able to function as a healer. Now is the time to balance that with resilience, strength, and even some divine stubbornness, refusing to give you up on who you are, whilst remaining open to guidance is the balance of loving wisdom necessary to grow yourself as divinely unique individual in a world that often fears the individuality simply because it cannot be easily controlled. Ha ki roto, breathe in. Ha ki waho, breathe out. Holding your center doesn't mean that you no longer surrender. Instead, you consciously choose to surrender into divine love and grow more empowered. You are here to shine a light, to be the lighthouse for others. The lighthouse doesn't ask for permission to shine. It stands still, shines faithfully, and those who need it are guided by its light to safety. Do not lose faith in yourself, beloved soul.